Hi there. In this video, we are going to explore the scenario where the customer comes in to purchase an item, then comes another day to return it, and buys something else at the same time. We will show you how to process this in the POS module as efficiently as possible. We will begin our process with processing a sale. The customer will pay for it and pick it up right away. Tag along as we go through the process. Imagine that the next time this customer comes in and wants to exchange the purchased item. First, we will create a return sales line. To do that, press the Customer Return button and locate the necessary sale. In the Open dialog, locate the Return column. In the Open drop-down menu, select the amount of items you'd like to return and press OK. You can now see that the Return Sale line has been added to the checkout. Now, we will add the item that the customer wants to exchange for. Once we add it to the checkout, we will see the total of 2 sales lines. We will now process the sale as normal until the payment section. Here we can see that the return sale line contributes to the refund portion of the payment and the new item contributes to the charge portion. In this example, the price of an exchange item is greater, so we will need to charge our customer the difference. That's it for the item exchange in the POS module. Thanks for watching.